A personal loan normally has a short to medium term tenure and can be taken for any reason, be it vacationing, meeting medical expenses, or funding a wedding. As it is unsecured in nature, you don't need to provide any collateral to avail it. However, this makes it a little risky for the lenders, as they have no means of recovering the amount if you default on the loan. Hence, your income stability is checked to ensure you have the ability to repay the borrowed sum. Further, they rely heavily on your credit score to make sure you are a reliable borrower. This means you will need to have a good credit score for your personal loan application to be approved. Generally, a credit score of 750 and above is considered as ideal by most lenders, facilitating fast approval, low interest rates, and favorable terms. While some lenders do provide personal loans for a low credit score, the interest rates and terms will be quite unfavorable, and most lenders will reject the personal loan application if your score is anything less than 550.
Need to keep an eye on your credit score on a regular basis? Well, all you need to do is sign up at the MyMoneyKarma website. We provide free access to your credit score, your detailed credit report, and personalized advice on how your credit can be improved. Moreover, checking your credit score with MyMoneyKarma is a soft inquiry, meaning it does not have any impact on your credit score. You can get started right away by following the link below.